YouTube. I'm back here in the morning with this fender. So I'm gonna go and try to clear this, polish it, or sand it down straight and then polish it. I think I'm gonna go with the 5000 first, see how that goes. Everything's gonna be wet. Getting ready for the west sand, getting a full bucket of water. Hopefully I cleaned it. You know how that goes. Drop this thing in there. Yes, and then okay, so we got the water, we got the fender, and we have our sandpapers. Fender, water, and sandpapers. Now we need to do it. Now I'm just gonna put a little bit of super clean. You can get these at AutoZone. Just a little bit. So I'm gonna put a cap. Just to get things, you know, a little bit cleaner while we sand. It should, one cap like this should be good enough. You know. Put that in there. Let's see. You know, a little clean. You don't want too much. Maybe another cap. Maybe a full cap. Yeah, something like that would be better. Let's see. Let's see how it soaks up. Alright. I think that's good. At least it's something. Better than nothing.